created in 1894 by the by Mr. Cream and Mr. Loaf.
Episode 6, yes. We lost count.
It's episode something.
It's something.
That's the important bit. By the way, we're doing cream loaf this episode.
Yes.
We're going to buy the cream loaves. We're going to eat the cream loaves in the field, so to speak. We're
In
basically
the
field journalists up there with the guy who cover the
yeah,
whole Syria,
yeah, exactly.
Iran.
The Amazon burning.
So we're going to start off at Rewanga Bakery in Masese. So we've got the first cream loaf from the Rewanga Bakery in Masese. We're sitting on the seawall because in Suva the view is not what you call scenic, but hey, here we are. So here we are trying out the first cream loaf. It's a wholemeal bread with cream inside cream loaf. It's a balanced diet. It's actually what the wow, look at the cream. Oh my God.
Amazing. This is really good.
That's a lot of cream.
It's a lot of cream. The money bite.
That's vanilla.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Have we been doing cream loaf wrong this year? All these years using white loaf.
I'm gonna give this a 9.
Really good. 9 out of 10. I'm with Victoria on that one.
All right, we're in our second location. We're here at the
French Cotton Bakery.
that's in Samambula.
That's in Samambula. What used to be the French bakery, Le Pain de Mai and all that kind of thing. It's an especially favorite place to buy chow from for the FNU students.
Yes.
Yeah. I like it. I like the bread.
Is it crunchy?
Really crunchy. There's a good crunch going on there. Not so much vanilla, not so much cream as the Rewanga Bakery, but still very nice. That's why I give it about an 8.
I'll go with a 7.
Yeah? 8 for me, 7 for her. At the French Bakery and Food Court.
All right, we are in our third and final location. We're here at Quiz Bakery along Waimani Road. Hey, how dare you?
There's actually more cream than it seems. I'm getting hints of vanilla, hints of earthiness.
An oaky bouquet.
An oaky bouquet. Along with...
It's not as crunchy as the other two. It's like in between. I go with a 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'll actually go with an 8.5 for this one. Look at her, look at her, look at her. As long as she's putting things in her mouth.
So that's a wrap for our cream loaf edition. Episode 6. Suggest what you want us
Episode 6.
Episode 6, I did that. Suggest what you want us to taste.
Yes, yes. Steak and egg.
Yes,
Steak and prawn.
Steak and prawn.
Steak and steak. Steak and egg, no egg.